Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss on project cash flow analysis. A cash flow is one of the most important aspects in the project management as the non-availability of the cash can affect the progress of the project. An organization receives cash from sales operation and proceeding of loans. On the other hand, organizations spend cash for direct and operating expenses, paying organization debts and purchasing different assets. A cash flow refers to the amount of money that flows in and out of the organization during the operation of the project. Now let's see the purpose of cash flow analysis. It is used to evaluate the profitability of the project. It compares different projects, and from comparison one can select the appropriate one. An organization needs to be careful while forecasting cash flows, as an inaccuracy in the estimation of cash flow can create a serious problem such as a shortage of cash. The cash flow of a conventional project consists three main parts. Initial investment. It refers to the amount of money spent at the beginning of the project. A large project needs a huge amount of cash at the initial level. Generally, the initial cash layout include a various capital expenditure such as purchase of machinery and acquisition of land. Second, operating cash flow. It refers to the cash inflows generated from the operation of the project. Operating cash flow is also known as net cash flow. It is the difference in between cash receipt and cash payment. And third part is terminal cash flow. It refers to the cash inflows generated after the completion of the project. For example, an organization can sell the asset such as machines and land used in the project and earn a certain amount of money. The amount of money earned after the selling the asset is known as terminal cash inflow. Let's see the objectives of cash flow analysis. To determine a project's rate of return or a value. The time of cash flow into and out of project are used as inputs in the financial models such as internal rate of return and net present value. To determine problems with the business liquidity. Being a profitable does not necessarily mean being a liquid. A company can fail because of a shortage of cash even after the profitability. Act as an alternative measure of business profile. As an alternative measure of the business profits, when it is believed that accrual accounting concepts do not represent economic realities. To evaluate the quality of the income generated by accrual accounting. Cash flow can be used to evaluate the quality of income generated by accrual accounting. When net income is composed of large non-cash items, it is considered a low quality. And last is to evaluate the risk within the financial product. For example, matching cash requirements, evaluating default risk, reinvestment requirements, etc. Now let's see the information required for a cash flow analysis. First, a comparative balance sheet. Balance sheet at the beginning and at the end of the accounting period indicate the amount of changes that have been taken place in asset, liabilities and capital. Second, profit and loss account. The profit and loss account of the current period enables to determine the amount of cash provided by or used in the operation during the accounting period after making adjustment for non-cash, current asset and current liabilities. And third, the additional data. In addition to the above statements, that is comparative balance sheet and profit and loss account, additional data is collected to determine how cash has been provided or used. For example, sale or purchase of asset for cash. Now let's see the advantages of cash flow statement. disclose the inward and outward movement. The primary function carried out by a cash flow statement is to disclose the inward and outward movement, that is, inflow and outflow of cash. It indicates all possible changes in cash position of a firm in quantitative terms, accompanied by the reason to support such changes. Hence, a cash management can exercise full control over the cash movement with the help of cash flow statement. Second, it plays a vital role in the short-term financial planning. It helps in forecasting cash requirements, determining the quantity of required cash in advance, the amount that can be generated from internal sources, and the volume expected to be acquired from outside sources. Thus, the future course of action related to the cash can be planned in the light of cash flow statement. Third, it helps to management in formulating policies related to internal financial management. It aids the internal financial management. Cash flow statement is of a great help to management to formulate policies related to internal financial management, since any information pertaining to the availability of the cash from the operations can be obtained by means of cash flow statements. Thus, a management can make important decisions involving dividend policy, replacement of asset, repayment of long-term loans, etc. It reveals the success or failure of cash planning. It reveals the extent of success or failure of cash planning, as a management may hold comparison of cash flow of current year with projected cash budget of that period. Variation, if any, with the relevant cause may be deducted and necessary remedial actions can be initiated. It adds efficiency to the cash management. A cash is the very foundation of all the business operations. Therefore, a projected cash flow statement provides sufficient guidelines to the management for planning and coordinating financial operations properly, effectively, and efficiently. It helps to determine the likely flow of cash. Projected cash flow statement help the management to determine the likely inflow or outflow of cash from operations and the amount of cash required to be raised from the other sources to meet the future needs of the business. It is a supplemental to funds flow statement. Cash flow analysis supplements the analysis provided by the fund flow statement, as cash is the part of the working capital. And the last is a better tool of analysis. For the payment of liabilities which are likely to be measured or matured in the near future, cash is more important than the working capital. As such, cash flow statement is certainly a better tool of analysis than fund flow statement for the short-term analysis. Thank you very much.